AC Guy 1948 here. Merry Christmas, everyone. Santa Claus came last night and he brought me some goodies. A set of snap-on screwdrivers. First set I've ever had. Guy got them and he never used them, and then ended up selling them off. Then this here, Blue Point 3/8 inch air impact. But what this video is about is this Duralast 3-ton capacity floor jack. I'm going to do an unboxing of it and kind of show you what it comes with. Alright, looks like those two straps hold it on. You cut those off and top opens right up. Alright, once we got the top off, here's how it comes packaged. You got your handle here, bag over the end there, piece of styrofoam, and then there's the jack down in there. A good sized jack, really. Instructions and stuff. There's the jack. Get it out of there. Alright, and there it is out of the package. It is a heavy jack. Handle's pretty simple. You bring it together and there you go, handles together. Okay, now down here there's this piece of metal you have to hold this down. You have to take this wire off. Alright, now after you get this wire out, all I did was I just kind of squeezed together on it and pulled, and it came out of there, and then this will spring up on you. But it came with this nut. You slide this in. It's got this groove around here. It'll line up, and now you just screw this nut in. The handle's locked in. See how quick we can get it up. Oh yeah, that's pretty good speed. We're almost maxed out there. There we go. I think that's top in. So yeah, you got some pretty good working height to work with. Alrighty. Okay, for this next part, there's an air purge procedure where you basically lock it up, lock the handle, pump it about 6 times, and then lay it flat, and then push this little oil fill plug to the side, and it lets the air out, and it says repeat as necessary. So lock it up. 3, 4, 5, 7 for sure. Screwdriver says to push it to the side. Okay. I'll do it one more time. Alright, should be good. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it for this video. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.